In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your project in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're new to video editing or just new to this powerful software, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you not only understand what to do, but also why you're doing it. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to have Davinci Resolve open on your computer. For those who might not be familiar, Davinci Resolve is an incredible all-in-one video editing program that's widely used by both professionals and hobbyists alike. It's known for its color correction capabilities, but it's also fantastic for editing and adding effects to your videos. So I highly recommend giving it a try if you haven't already. Now, once Davinci Resolve is up and running, you're going to want to focus your attention on the top menu bar. Look for the option that says File. This is where we're going to begin importing our media. Click on File, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears, giving you several different options. From this list, select Import. This action lets you bring new media into your project. Clicking on Import will reveal yet another set of options. For today's tutorial, since we're focusing on adding music, we're going to select Media. By choosing Media, Davinci Resolve will open a dialog box that lets you browse your computer's files. Take your time here to navigate through your folders and find the music track you want to incorporate into your video project. Once you've located your desired music file, simply click to highlight it, then hit Open. This action imports the track directly into your media pool, which is essentially Davinci Resolve's library of all the clips, images, and audio files you've decided to use in your project. With your music track now in the media pool, you can drag it into your timeline. This step is exciting because it's where you can start to see your project come together. Take a moment to listen to how the music blends with your video. You can adjust the track's position on the timeline to synchronize it perfectly with your video, ensuring that the beats and moods align with your scenes. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully added a music track to your Davinci Resolve project. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you've learned how simple it can be to enhance your videos with just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to follow along for more tips and tricks on video editing and other related topics. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with your newfound skills.